Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and no doubt about it, SPRT. So, if you were in the trading room yesterday, and we've been actually talking about this for probably a week now, especially Zach and PJ and Ija in the Ija's in her YouTube room, Zach and PJ in the main trading room, talking about this one. SPRT finally got over 10. And I ended up taking this one, and I did trade it out after hours. And then again, this is this morning, pre-market. Didn't trade it there, but when the market opened, I traded a little bit. Now, this was not easy, okay? You see this big topping tail, the bottoming tail. But then, all of a sudden, from my option scanner, look at this SPRT, 1268, we had the alert. And from there, I'm just going to show you what happened. 1268, so we had the alert on that candle right there, and look what happened. 1268 all the way up to, before it pulled back, all the way up to 1472 before it pulled back. And we were talking about this in the room actually, when this might look like a decent short. I mean, you can tell right here on these two 15-minute candles, a lot of indecision. You had a topping tail here, a bottoming tail, a topping tail, a bottoming tail. Again, what do those mean? Well, at one point the buyers had it up here, and at one point the sellers had it down here, and it closed here. Next candle, the buyers had it up here, sellers had it down here, it closed here. At some point, somebody's going to win, and it looks like right now I was saying, well, 1350, if it gets down below 1350, that could turn into a bit of a short, and sure enough, it's turned into a bit of a short. But from my option scanner, though, at 1268, all the way up without almost stopping, right up to 1470. Don't get too many from the option scanner. It's designed that way. I only want a few to concentrate on, and that certainly was an extreme winner from it. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. So, and again, if you want my option scanner, all you have to do is, I think it's called Unusually Strong Options. Just go to my homepage. The tab is there. In the email you're getting, go to the section on scanning, and it should be something like Unusually Strong Option Volume. Okay, so I want to get back into the trading room. Again, if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. The promo code is still available, 25% off the first month only, or the entire year. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.